We have a Dura Patio Adirondack chair. This might be like a recycled plastic. That's what it looks like. It's really heavy. We have all the parts out. We have a back, a bottom, 2 arms, 2 supports, cup holder, 2 other pieces. We got all the screws assembled. They're all there. They're not magnetic. I usually put my parts in a magnetic tray, so I don't know if they're aluminum or what. But the instructions look pretty simple. Step 1, put the sides on to the bottom, put the arms on, the back on, put the cross braces on, and we're done. For most assemblies, especially furniture, I'll take that Allen wrench or backup and cut the bottom off and just stick it in my drill. Everything goes faster. You just need to make sure that it's on a very loose setting so you don't strip it. So I'll turn it down to like a 2, and then I'll go around and hand tighten most of the fittings. We have this E piece. It's got 2 bolts in it. They're going to go right, press down into these holes. Okay. I'm going to put the washer and nut on each one of these. Make sure you put the round part of the nut facing downward. We've got the 2 bolts and nuts started. I'm going to come around here. We've got the 2 bolts coming out from the bottom. We're going to put it on this table and lift it up and push it through the holes. We decided to lift it vertical to get this side and these holes to line up so we can hit the mallet. Alright, there's no freedom room here, so it looks like actually the bolts play out a little bit. You got to push them down, and it's a really tight fit. Alright, we're going to put the nut and washer on this side too. Let's get them started. Okay. We have this G piece with these screws. We'll get them started. We're going to do the other side. Okay. So I'm going to take another bolt just to get the hole started. It's too hard to hit the mallet underneath here. I think that will help when we put this other bolt in. So we found a better orientation is to turn the chair on its side, and that way we can actually see the bolt head. Alright, so we're going to put the bolt in the side here, put this arm in, and put the nut and the washer on the other side. Okay, we've got the back in position. We're going to use the long bolts and nuts that go on the top. And on the bottom, the screws are going to go into, the long screws. Okay, get the nut. Okay, we have to get this screw to go in here and line up with this hole right here. So we're going to get this started a little bit and try to get it into position. It's right on top of the hole. Hold in, okay. Okay. Now I have to look around this side, see where that hole is. We'll go around and tighten everything up. We have the last piece. We have the screw started. We'll line it up. Line up this side with that hole. It's a little hard to see, so I'm going to actually make this come out a little more. And then push it back even more so I can see it. There we go. So I got this bolt tapped in there, and then there's no threads in this part. It's going to go up into this hole like that. and there's an insert into the wood, a metal threaded insert. So we got to put it in like this. And just bring it up slowly. There we go. All right, test number 1. Go ahead. Sit all the way back. It's comfortable. A little sigh. I think anything's a sigh in 100-degree weather. Looks like a heavy-duty chair.